Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are in need for some relaxation or a little self care moment, there is nothing like a great bath bomb. These are new Miuz collagen bath bombs infused with oats, milk, and honey. I love that they come individually wrapped in this container. I think it is perfect for gift giving or even just to set up a little home spa experience. I really appreciate how they were wrapped, and you can tell what awesome quality these bath bombs are, and they're a fantastic size too. I was really drawn into them because they don't have any dyes or parabens, and the scent is light but really, really beautiful. Now, I sped this process up a little bit to show you what it looks like in my tub, and I have a really large soaker tub, so I was super impressed that just one bath bomb produced as much foam as it did. But if you wanted to be a little foamier, if you have a large tub like I do, you could definitely use two. But it is an amazing fizzy bath bomb, and it really smells so beautiful, and the foam itself is nice and soft. It left my skin feeling so nice and nourished and moisturized. I think this is such a nice option if you want to pamper yourself, but without all those added dyes that are often in bath bombs. I was really impressed with the quality of these bath bombs, and they just provided me with the perfect spa moment at home. I'm really, really happy with them, and I think that they would make a great gift, whether it's for you or for someone you love who you know needs a little bit of relaxation. I think that you're going to love them too, but that's just my point of view.